What's going on? This is a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan with the 3.6 liter. Check engine light has been on. And why? It's got P0128. So what that's telling me is the thermostat is stuck open, so the coolant can't get hot enough. The thermostat on this engine is located on the front of the motor right there. Here's the new part. So as you can see, there's two bolts that go on there. That's a little bleeder valve. So I'm gonna pull that out real quick. You got a drain pan, try to catch most of that coolant. So the first step for us is to take this clamp off. Got my hose clamp pliers installed.
Where? Everywhere? You don't even notice that happens. Hey, what is this? What's up? What's up with this? Hey man, I need that supercharger, dog. Alright, cool. You hold that. Oh, did she have girl walking? I know, she comes out. She comes in beg everybody come up.
10 millimeter.
I had a manager here when I first started, he used to give me $40. I love that shit. Hell yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Yo.
One go out, two bolts out.
Check. Alright, bro. So you're not here. No, I'm not giving you my keys.
Got to clean the mounting surface, or the mating surface, whatever you want to call it. If you clean all the dust off and all the old gasket material, then you can be sure that it won't have any leaks. Gonna get the top one finger tight. And I throw the bottom one in and kind of pivot the housing around until it lines up. Get the bottom one finger tight as well. What's going on, man?
You getting it?
Yeah, it's easy. Now I've got to get the clamp reinstalled.
So we don't want to be ordering parts all crazy. JJ, you want to knock this off for you?
Sure.
Hey, you have a pet on you?
No, I don't. Excuse me. For everyone telling me I need to flush, it says add to any color antifreeze. So I don't want to hear about it. So according to Pro Demand, the coolant temperature is supposed to reach 185 degrees. Just took this thing on the highway. Got the heat going full blast and it's real hot. And according to my scan tool, the engine coolant temperature is it's moving around between 195 and 200. So I'm pretty confident that I've got most of the air out of the system because the heat's working, and that thermostat, it is staying closed until it needs to open up. So I'm gonna park this thing, let it cool off for a bit, then top off the coolant one more time, and it should be good to go.